Hello, Libra. Today will be December 1st through the 15th. I'll do a Celtic cross spread first and then see who could be possibly coming your way or what to expect. So, I'm saging the cards right now. Won't you sage with me? Oh, that should be like a little theme song or something, huh? I would get some more creative ass shit with Libra. So, let's see what the cards have in store for you. Alright, 1st through the 15th, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Celtic cross spread, 1st through the 15th. Okay, Libra, so you'll be expecting some emotional news, or you could be open to receiving news. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the Knight of Swords in reverse here. So here is you. You are ready to expect and receive some emotional news. You're open. The person you're dealing with, like I said, could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Now, they could be coming in very slow, all about themselves with the Knight of Swords here. What's crossing you, Libra, is the World. So there'll be some changes that you'll be expecting, Libra. You're getting yourself together. You're balancing yourself out. You're expecting emotional news. And also are ready to receive emotional news. So, at the foundation is basically your home life is needing to be in order, or you are feeling like your love life, home life, the balancing act is kind of imbalanced. And you're needing to adjust to this change that's happening, especially with the World card here. Now, you could have moved or could be moving with the Queen of Pentacles here in reverse, or you could be having some outbursts as well. Also, yeah, you could be having some outbursts of some sorts, or you could be feeling like very ungrounded and needing to gather yourself together. Definitely see with your home. Your present is you, the Fool, ready for some new changes, ready to take a leap of faith, which is a good thing, because if you're ready to receive emotional news, you are ready to take a leap of faith into something new. I definitely see that. Definitely see that you're open to getting things how you need them done. But not only that, but expecting things to not be so structured, is what I'll say. You know, you're kind of just going with the flow. Now, the future, it says that you will be coming out of a time of arguments and disagreements. Hopefully some type of mutual understanding. And yourself, you're no longer feeling like this is a loss, whatever has happened. Your emotions are being poured into the cup. You are allowing yourself freedoms that you probably never had before. especially if you're ready to receive emotional news. Also, you're definitely getting your home life together. You could be moving as well, but you're feeling like there's a shakeup in the foundation. But you're still trying to take a leap of faith with it, and you're going to overcome that. But you're going to be juggling some things in your environment, or you could also be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio with this Queen of Cups here. And she's kind of like sitting, waiting for her news as well. And then you'll be juggling some things. Libra, Libra, Libra. You'll be juggling two things. Or, wow. Or you'll be feeling like you'll have to juggle a lot of things to have a structured foundation within your home. I could definitely see that because that's came out twice. Or you could be dealing with a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. I could definitely see that. That's doing a balancing act. Or you're trying to have an outcome of that home, but you're balancing a lot of things here. Libra, Libra. So, let me clarify why your outcome would be the Four of Wands. Let me clarify that because... Oh, okay. You could be dealing with a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, but you're basically ready to take a leap of faith. You're also ready for some new intellect to come through or some new ideas to come through. Maybe it's something that you're juggling that's keeping you from having the Four of Wands. Or you could be expecting some new flow. So, let's get a new spread going. Let's see who'll be coming your way. Because that looked so mundane and boring. Alright, here we go. So, Libras, let's see who could be coming your way. Alright. Oh, I definitely see a call of judgment. Something's going to take place where you're going to have to make a decision and rise up. Uh-oh. Someone could be lying. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius could be around. Okay, so let's see who's coming your way. We'll put that back. So, that one's fly out. Could be dealing with a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, or it could be someone that has their guard up or you have your guard up. But I definitely see that you could be dealing with someone who has blocked off some passion. I'm feeling like it could be, you know, at rock bottom, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or that could be how you're feeling about someone new coming in. So let's see if there's anybody new besides Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and yourself. But it looks like you're tired, like you worked hard. Got your defense up from working hard. So it could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that you could have a few choices with, or that someone could be emotionally fulfilling you, but you need to make a choice pretty soon because your cups could be overfilled. Libra. Also could be dealing with family as well, or you could be dealing with a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Now, I will say that everyone is pretty much on the board that could be coming your way, but it looks to me, let me clarify, that since you're feeling at rock bottom, you will be coming out of a time where you won't feel bound to the situation, but you'll also feel kind of stuck at the same time with the Three of Wands in reverse. So you'll be feeling like you're bound and stuck to an old situation. Or you could be dealing with a Leo, Gemini, Aquarius, or a Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio as well. Everyone's pretty much across the board. But it looks like you have your defense up at one point in time, or someone that you're dealing with could be feeling like they're at rock bottom, and also coming out of a time where they're feeling restricted in their mental and not feeling like they can go anywhere. So let's pull some more, because it looks like this is you. You're having a little confusion as to what choices you're going to make, so you just end up choosing family. Yeah, definitely choosing family. Or you could be receiving some money as well through family. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or taking care of your family. Libra, Libra, Libra. Yeah, you will have some emotional love coming through. Some type of, what would be the word? Fulfillment. Definitely fulfillment, Libra. So, you have choices that will be coming your way. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. There's all of them across the board. Okay? So you could be getting your way. But you might not get emotional, have an emotional expectance. Don't expect too much emotional exchange. Or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and they've kind of blocked communication off with you. Definitely see that they've blocked communication off with you. Or something has happened in the past with the Hierophant in reverse. This could be a past person that you're dealing with, Libra. Something could have happened in the past with this person that's blocked off communication. Like I said, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's at a point where like you've kind of made your choice as to what it is you want to do. It could be an extra person, could be someone that you have dealt with in the past that you could see a family with, or you could have seen a family with. But I definitely see that you'll have a lot of options to choose from. So choose wisely. And if it's not a lot of options, it'll get to a point where it'll be so many options to the point where you won't know what to do. So you're going to block yourself from any type of emotional news or wanting to give out love. So be careful of that. Yeah, it also could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn that could be coming your way as well with the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, but they could be moving in pretty slow, but they seem like they are quite, they just might be a candidate. Let's just look at it like that. And also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or it could be that you just cut off some old extra baggage and you don't want any of these choices to choose from. So we shall see next week what happens. Thank you for liking and subscribing to Laurel's Moon. I am so appreciative of everyone. I shall see you in a week and a half, probably. Or next week. I might do weeklies. We shall see. All right, bye, Libra. Peace.